Hi guys, my name is Yettieglam. You're welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're doing a full face makeup tutorial. Thank you so much for stopping by, and please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Give this video a huge thumbs up, and with no further ado, let's jump into the video. I'm starting off with the Oil Block Mattifying Primer from Zara, and I'm going to be applying that on the area of my face that I needed the most, just to prime my face. And then I'm going with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade 360. I'm using a brush to apply it over my face, or should I say on my face. Afterwards, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan, just to highlight my under eyes. As you can see, I'm not using a lot of concealer, just a little concealer. I'm just applying it into the inner corner of my face and the outer corner as well. And then I'm going to use my foundation brush to blend it all out. I like using my foundation brush because I feel like it will blend it very well and press it into the skin. Afterwards, I'm going to set the concealer with the Milani Mineral Powder in the shade 108. I'm applying it with a brush. I'm just applying it under my eyes. Notice that I'm pressing it in just to set the concealer. And then I'm going in with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I'm using a wedge to press the setting powder into my skin. And please, I apologize for any external noise that just finds its way into this video. It's so frustrating trying to do a voiceover. There's just so much noise coming in. And then next, I'm going to do my brows. I'm just filling in my brows with the Davies Brow Pencil in the shade number 3. I'm going in with a concealer. I'm using the same concealer that I used under my eyes to clean up my underbrows, just to define my brows. I'm going to use this fluffy brush right here just to blend out the concealer. And then I've gone back in with the wedge that I used to set my under eyes. So I'm using that just to set the eyelid. Just cleaning off the edges of my brows. For eyeshadow, I'm taking this red color eyeshadow from one of the Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette, and I'm pressing it into the crease area of my eyelid. I'm just using a blending brush to press that in, and then I'm going to blend out the eyeshadow. I'm also taking another clean blending brush just to blend out the edges of the eyeshadow so I don't have any harsh lines. And then I'm going in with this brown color right here. I'm going to apply that on top of the red eyeshadow that I applied earlier. I'm using a flat brush to do this. I've gone back in with the blending brush just to blend out any harsh lines. I'm extending the blending down to the bottom lash line of the eye as well. I'm going in with a black gel liner just to line my eyelid. I'm lining very, very close to the lash line, as you can see. I'm extending the eyeliner to the bottom line as well. I'm just dusting off any fallouts from the eyeshadow, as well as the setting powder as well. So I've gone in with a small brush to blend the red eyeshadow down under my bottom lash line, just to connect everything together. I'm going with this goldish eyeshadow into the inner corner, that's the tear duct of my eyes. And then I've gone in with a mascara. This mascara is from Debbie Loster. It's a Nigerian brand. Okay, so I'm contouring my face with the Sleek Face Contouring Kit. Okay, so I'm going in with the Milani powder just to set the whole of my face. And then I'm going in with a blush. This particular blush is from Nikak. And then I've gone to set my face with the Juba Cosmetics setting spray, and then I'm going in with this highlighter. It doesn't have a name. I'm lining my lip with the Davies pencil in the shade number 18. Alright, so this is a lipstick from Milani, and it's called Amber Rose. And then I'm going to top it up with another Milani lipstick, Cinnamon Spice. This is the one I used earlier, Rose Amber it's called. I just want a very little amount of it, not a lot. Alright, so I'm going in with the sheer lip gloss from Zara, just to finish off the lipstick look. At this point, as you can see, I'm actually feeling myself. I've gone back in with the powder just to set, pressing, just to pressing the setting spray and making sure that everything just flows nicely on the face. And guys, please, I really appreciate you watching. I've gone in with my lashes. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please do not hesitate to share the video. Okay, so I've gone in with the goldish eyeshadow that I used in the inner corner of my eyes, just to highlight the under of my brows. And this is the final look. I'm super excited how this look came out. If you have any comments, please share your thoughts in the comment section. I really appreciate this. I'm super grateful for the support that I've gotten so far on this particular channel. Yeah, this is me feeling myself. Thank you guys. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed. Bye.